Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Equitable Bank. Equitable Bank is a Canadian bank that offers a range of personal and commercial banking services. It is known as a challenger bank, meaning it uses technology to offer different and often more competitive services than traditional banks. It is the seventh largest bank in Canada by assets and operates through its digital-first platform, EQ Bank. For individuals, Equitable Bank offers a variety of products through its digital arm, EQ Bank. This includes high-interest savings accounts, which often have no monthly fees. They also provide guaranteed investment certificates, or GICs, and accounts for retirement savings plans and tax-free savings accounts. EQ Bank also offers a prepaid card and services for international money transfers. On the lending side, Equitable Bank specializes in residential mortgages and business financing. They are a leader in the alternative mortgage market, catering to self-employed individuals and others who may not fit the traditional criteria of major banks. They also provide reverse mortgages and home equity lines of credit. For businesses, Equitable Bank offers solutions like cash management, business loans, and merchant services. This includes things like online banking, bill pay, and remote deposit capture. In essence, Equitable Bank's approach is to provide a modern, convenient banking experience through its digital platform, offering strong savings rates and specialized lending products to both individuals and businesses. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.